To have you with me. So we are now going to build that little OTO page that they see after they opt in. So if you refer back to the process map, you can kind of see where we are in the process. And the first thing I want to show you how to use is a solution called Lead Pages. Lead Pages works very, very well. It's template based and it's super simple to use. There are other solutions as well that I want to share with you. Now I've chosen to share Lead Pages first because it is first in alphabetical order on my list here of tools to show you. So this is really, really easy, and we'll have a great high converting funnel created for you here in just a few minutes. Actually, we're going to build it today. So let's get started. The important thing about Lead Pages is that it's leadpages.net, not .com. You got to remember that, .net. So I use this, a lot of folks use this. It's easy, right? And it's pretty cheap. So let's see, you can click here, you can see the basic plan is 37 bucks a month. I don't really know if you need the super fancy plan or not. I think I use the basic plan. All right, so you can check out their propaganda on leadpages.net, but let me just go ahead and show you how to use this guy. So I'll get rid of this, and this is what it looks like when you log in to Lead Pages as a customer. So this is the first thing you'll see, and you'll notice there's a zillion templates here. So the first template that we're going to build is going to be a page that looks like this, sort of. It has the function of this. So we're over here in Lead Pages. You'll notice that they've got a zillion templates that we can use. So a very popular thing to do is immediately after someone opts in, they see a video page, right? Or a video sales letter to be specific. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the little sales pages template here, and we're going to scroll down, and the one that I like to use is, ladies and gentlemen, video sales page number 3. Now you can choose whichever kind you want. I like number 3 because it is very, very simple. So I'm going to click on use this template. I'm not going to mess with the survey. They like to know what industry you're in, but I've already done this a million times. So I'm going to just click on no. It has no effect on what we're doing here. And now we have our page, right? So if you have a logo or you want to build one, you can have it here, but let's say you don't want to mess with that. I never do. So the way Lead Pages works is you just kind of change these little elements in a bit of a drag and drop fashion. So watch this. We'll click on this logo, and over here on the left, we can choose to make the logo invisible, or we can upload a picture. Now these are all pictures I've already created on my uploaded into my account before. So in yours, you're not going to see all of these pictures of me and Natalia and her logo and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to say, this logo, I want it to be hidden. So blam, notice now the logo is gone. So I'll click on OK, and now the logo is gone. So now what are we going to do? All right, well, remember, if we want to model Andy's page, we're going to tell them that we receive their request for information. They should check their email in a few minutes, and then they should read this letter. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let them know that their request was successful, right? So I'm going to go ahead and double click this. And when I do, we have an opportunity to edit what this says by filling in this information over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in something, and I'll pause it so you don't have to watch me type because it takes forever. So I typed in, it worked. Your request was safely received, right? And so now that I want to just make sure I'm going to keep that, I simply click OK. So you'll notice I typed it in here. It showed up over there on the right. I'm just going to click on OK, and boom. Now that's my new headline. So now I want to tell them to watch this video, right? And that the email will arrive in a few minutes. So I just click on this. Now you'll notice I have the same little thing over here on the left where I can edit it. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this. I won't make you watch me type again because that takes forever. So I wanted them to know what? That they should receive, because I want them to know it works. I said it worked, your request was safely received, and now I want them to understand that they'll receive their report by email in about 5 minutes, and to watch this important video tutorial while they wait. Now the reason this is important here is if we don't tell them that the email is on the way, everything we say in the video is going to be sort of invisible to them, because their brain is going to be doing nothing other than saying, yeah, but where's the report? What's happening? Did I get that? Do I need to go request it again? He said it worked up here in the blue headline, but all I'm seeing is this video that doesn't have the report I requested. What happened, right? So you have to really let people know exactly what's going on. So that's why I wrote this here. You can write, of course, whatever you want to write. Now, again, this is the page they see immediately after they opt in. This is not the download page, right? We're building two separate pages. So remember our flow chart. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click OK to save this over here. So now I'll click OK. And you'll notice now there's a spot for a video. So this page is assuming, of course, you have a video that makes a quick little pitch. Right? So let me tell you how to go ahead and get that set up.